Friends, welcome to ZWiki. So today I'm back with another tutorial how to cancel my order from eBay. So let's start. So basically first I want to say that one thing on eBay here no option for cancel order directly. So this is one of the disadvantages of eBay, you can also say that. So but I have two tricks for you to cancel your order. So let's start. First you need to go my Paisa Pay and then go bought with Paisa Pay, or some countries it show bought with PayPal, but this video is specially for Paisa Pay topic. Okay, so now here you can see all of your bought with Paisa Pay items list here. So if your item show to be shipped, that's been this item not shipped right now. Now you can cancel it by calling to your seller. So just go to Paisa Pay ID, click on it, and here you can see seller, and below click on this seller username, and here you can see seller contact information. So call this number or seller number and tell about your Paisa ID and you want to cancel your order. That's all. Or you can directly contact through eBay message. So this is first one trick, and the next one, if the item already shipped, then your seller can't cancel that order directly. So that time you need to do one trick, that is just don't receive that item when it's come to you. Okay, don't receive that, because here you can see this option delivery before. If this item will shipped, then here one date will be show. For example, I'm thinking the date will be 10th July. Okay, then you don't receive that item after 10 July, maybe 11th July or 12th July. Just go to more action and click on resolve a problem, and then select here I not received and I want my money back. Comment something like I want my money back, I don't this item right now. So and then additional information you can choose anyone and then submit. Then it will call you and you tell about this problem, you not receive that item, and then your money will be refunded within 5 or 7 days. So there are two tricks for cancelling order on eBay. So thanks for watching. I hope this video help you, and keep watching ZWiki and subscribe our channel. Thank you.